All India Congress Committee kala play ya ke Jingwad Sap latip kum ke National Talent Hunt ka jingtubu ke balong ban Pynrung Kam ya ki Samla ke belanang start bat ki Rio Shampang hapo keseng. Kani ke jing persang ke belasan randu National President ba unong yalam kaliang persya Rahul Gandhi. Kapan pawe ke jingdan kam ba keseng Kongres kan penuan dur yala dia sya kata ka kamsan perthai jong ke juk ke bathamai. Hakaba ke jingedai ke pensyai kalong ke syabi. Habakran gilat patai kubora ke sitrik mun opera arajar orpesan Matthew Anthony Joint Secretary jeng All India Congress Committee ulapan benai kene ke jing plia bat khot subhai borok kinong song bakin wani shim benta. Kani ka talent han kan long na ke benta ban pendap ki kam bat ki bentai ke bekong san hapok ke seng ke beri syapang ke jing edai bat ke jing wat benia. Ki benta boper bakin ang WhatsApp menta ki long ya unong ai kitian na spokesperson ban peni kisap jingkran ki basai research coordinator ban peni kisap jingwat benya media coordinator ban peni kisap jingadai bat ki patba Anthony ulo angro bagani kadai ka kabuk sera baro gilwanang lastat kibladan jingya syam bat kibladan ke jingmut ceperkat ke basai bat kiwei bat ki brio kibladan jingya syam ke jela Meghalaya bakinwan banedan lang bat ka kongres ka onika merotra ka nong mi kemat jo keseng kala batai kini kejing persang kum ka game changer da ka bakado bagi patba ki dan kejing perang ban penpa wala ka jong kejing bot perkat chapang ka menor bat ka menta jong kari kala keno bak sarkar bomenta ka persang ban penpat penprai ka rensan trekam bat ka persang ban penkalai kejing trekam kat kum ka jing mentoy jongki
Matthew ji, Sanjay ji, and ma'am. Well, as pointed out, it's going to be the game changer, it seems. And yes, people are interested, people want to voice their opinion, looking at the present scenario of the country as to how one government is trying to dismantle the constitution, you name it and everything, and they're trying to change things as per their convenience. And we did hear people wanted to join Congress, wanted to speak about it, so we felt what good platform better than allowing them to come and raise their voice, where there's transparency and accountability, where there's where anybody can come up and apply for it and then be the voice of the Congress. Obviously, there's going to be a time frame for that. The time frames have been defined as to when will be the launch and how we are going to send across the Google Forms. How will we reach? How does it reach to the to every corner of Meghalaya? And we want maximum participation in it. Yes, the criteria have been laid, and the thought behind is the selection criteria would be like commitment to Congress values and ideology, clear thinking, quick response, strong control over language, communication, their political awareness, proper knowledge of history. These are the broadly parameters where we are going to assess people who want to voice their opinion and be a part of the Congress party. The dates, as pointed out, as finalized by all of us here, with the help of the President. 1st December today, we are launching and starting the application. It'll be shortly all over in Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, everywhere. The Congress Party and its members will try to spread the word so that everybody is able to participate in it. Nobody is left out. And the last date for the application will be 10th of December. And 11th of December, we'll be doing the screening of the application. We'll shortlist as to who is applicable and who has that ability. A little broad-based scrutiny will be done. And by the 15th, and on the 15th, the state level physical interview and group discussions will be held to give the final analysis as to who has been selected as a part of this national talent hunt. It is done all over the country, nationwide, every state. It's done in two phases. The first phase we are doing it, we've done in Assam, we're doing in Meghalaya and other cities and other places. And I'm very confident there's going to be a lot of people who come forward to raise their voice, as the country, as I said, is reeling under a lot of issues, being unemployment, price rise, to changing of the constitution, or disturbing in terms of diversional politics that's been done by the Modi government.
Northeast is always an important region for the Congress government. And if at all you look at the history of Meghalaya, it is the Congress party which gave the statehood. It is the Congress party which gave the foundation for the state of Meghalaya. It is the Congress party which built the entire initial infrastructures for the state of Meghalaya, and it is important for the Congress party to have the voice of Meghalaya having its representation at a national level. We have so many educated people here, and it is important for us to now showcase it, because you look at NPP being affiliated to the BJP is being sidelined at every nook and corner, and if at all they want to do anything, they are not allowed by the BJP to showcase the voice of Meghalaya. So it is for the Congress party to highlight the voice of Meghalaya by highlighting the talents of Meghalaya, and that is why the exercise has been launched in the state of Meghalaya.
Why couldn't you do MM?
See, it is not too late. The way in which BJP has been projecting is India got freedom only after 2014. And you and a lot of the media were falling to that song also. Whereas the country was built painfully, brick by brick. Everything from 1947 or before by the Congress party. Nobody realized that. Now, again, the Congress party is taking the first step to take the voices of the people of the Northeast, and now from the state of Meghalaya. We are launching it in the state of Manipur. It's already there in Assam. Tripura is getting launched, and after the Christmas it will be launched in the other states of Northeast also. So it re-emphasizes the importance and the significance which is given by the Congress party to the Northeast side of India.